Yes, sir. It's your boy B Hayes back with another one, guys. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. Before we do that, watch out for spam, WhatsApp in the comments down below. Feel free to join VIP to be alerted and never get in and out of plays. Also, get your free stock from down below as well. So let's go ahead and take a look at it, guys, and jump right into it. VIP being hot, bangers at the bangers. We called Carvana out on today, up over $400 in that position. Also called out AMC way before the FOMO and way before all the hype. We got in at the sixes. It ran almost to 8, up over 120% at its peak, still up over 100% now, guys. Going into tomorrow, we're selling to strength. So let's go ahead and take a look at it, see what's going on. As we know, all these articles, everything coming up is AMC is the mother of all short squeezes about to begin. Or what does this say specifically? AMC is the mother of all short squeezes on the table. Like I was telling you guys on live, I already told you guys what expectations could be tomorrow on live due to normal market conditions and what we usually would expect from this manipulated market and manipulated AMC. But if all hell break loose and we get what we've been waiting for, nobody knows the numbers. It's just go with the flow. Make the money, take the money, be happy with whatever it give you, right? So anyways, let's go ahead and take a further look. Like I told you guys, we can use other markets as indicators to let us know how our corresponding market may do on the following day. So we see that stock futures inch higher as Wall Street braces for a final trading day of February. Stock futures rose slightly in overnight trading as investors brace for the final trading day of February. Futures tied Dow Jones gained 30 points, while the S&P 500 and the NASDAQ 100 futures added 0.1% each. Zoom Video surged nearly 8% in overnight trading on strong earnings. So the overnight moves followed up on session for all major averages. So we know Zoom did shoot up 8% after strong earnings, guys. We had a lot of earnings to be reported on this week, just as last week. We know Carvana was reported on last week. We called that to the T and VIP at 9:40. It was trading at. I said earnings would come out bad. We would drop about 24%. We dropped exactly 24%. Came down. I said we would come down to 777. We came down exactly to 777. Now earnings is approached for AMC, and we about to call this one to the T as well. So let's go ahead and take a look at it, guys. As we know, earnings is approaching on tomorrow. Let me go ahead and see something real quick. Yeah, tomorrow's going to be a beautiful day, guys. So AMC earnings will be after the market is closed at 5 p.m., guys. So that's great. I'm glad it's at 5 p.m. instead of early in the morning, because that give it time to do exactly what I needed to do and what I'm going to tell you is about to do. AMC is going to run up prior to earnings, like I was telling you guys before. Let's go back to the video. A lot of people was like, oh, I ain't get alert. But you already should have been alerted. Or maybe this video wasn't taken too seriously. But it definitely should have been when you know earnings is approaching. I ain't say 2 days for no reason. This will happen. Right there, I said 2 days. Hold on, where the video at? Boom, I put it at the top. At the top right there. 2 days. This will happen. That was 2 days ago. And I was telling you guys exactly what was about to happen on these when earnings was approaching. AMC was about to heat up. It's about to run. And it's happened. And I also alerted again to VIP before it actually happened. And the 19 tier, because all the tiers don't get all the alerts except for 19.99 above. They get every single move that I make, guys, and plus extra nuggets and information. So anyways, going to tomorrow, guys, I'm expecting a run up prior to earnings being reported in after hours. As it be reported, I'm looking for a huge sell off, guys. A steep little sell off. It possibly could be the opposite. Possibly could run up prior to earnings, and as earnings is being reported, continue to run up. But I'm expecting for a nice little pre-market little run up to test that wall at 817. A sell off at opening bell to come down to around the low sevens after running up to the 817, 820ish. If it don't break through, it's gonna come back down to 723, 720ish, maybe even the high sixes before running back up before earnings is reported in after hours. Then once it's reported, it'll sell off because everything was already priced in. Unless earnings is, way better than expected, blow expectations out of the water, which I do believe earnings is going to be good. due to Avatar and some other movies that came out. So tomorrow's going to be interesting, guys. Being for the fact that it's reporting after hours and we already getting this run up from yesterday going to tomorrow, we should still see that run up, and it's going to be confusing. But it ain't really nothing to mess up your brain too much. We already in on it. We already up. My main goal, my main plan is to sell at opening bell into strength. Hopefully it's running up during that time and not down, so I able to then get back in for the pullback. So, and as I do that and not my plan fulfilled, I don't really care what it do. You get what I'm saying? But anyways, guys, that's what I believe is going to do, though. Run up prior to earnings. Earnings come out, a steep sell-off just to pick back up, because it probably going to pick back up and go higher off the catalyst and news that it was actually, good. So you already know, hope it makes sense. If it don't make sense, it eventually will. I love you guys. Get in VIP, and we